Well, hello and welcome. It is time once again to try to fix something, and today on the workbench we have a PS5 digital that I thought was a no power according to the eBay listing, but that is not correct. If I can show you, we turn on, we flash blue for a moment, we shut off. And if I can show you back here, we do not have an HDMI port. It's gone. And so I really don't know if the two are related, if the two problems are related, you know. I'm a little concerned that maybe somebody went in there and tried to replace the port and did something else while they were in there, messed with the encoder. I don't know. So let's get this side cover off and let's just see if it's been, somebody's been into it. If the tamper-resistant security tape is gone, and yes, it is gone. So yeah, somebody's been in here. They were kind enough to return the screws, looks like. So that's a plus. But yeah, this is going to be a fast shutdown and not a no power as I was led to believe. Okay, let's get on into it. Okay, so I know somebody's been into it at least this far because this little conductive foam piece was laying over here. And that coax cable has seen better days. It wasn't taped where it should have been, so it got pinched. That could be a problem going forward. But I'm seeing a lot of screws. Right, we're missing one there. And we're missing one here. Somebody's been way into this thing. Not good. Well, I have the metal shield off. And looking around the HDMI area, does that look like heat marks on either side here? There and there. Yeah. You know what's up. Let's get on into it. Well, I have the circuit board out. And I don't know if that's been worked on or not. It does look a little discolored in that area, but we'll figure it out under the microscope. But I mean, if you look at it, the legs aren't broken off. So somebody had to have removed that. But something I did notice, another one of these little conductive foam pads is sitting inside here and was laying against something. You know, it's mounted like so. So something up in this area may have been getting shorted to ground. So that may be our reason for the fast shutdown. Kind of think, let's just take that out of there. I'll just pop the board back in and let's just see if it will stay on with that conductive foam pad out of there. Won't take but a second. All right. I did not even put the clamp back on it, the APU clamp. Ribbon cable for the lights is hooked up, and the power button. Does she stay on? Yes. Okay, so the foam pad was shorting something. And I can't hook a cable up to show you video because it doesn't have a port right now. But let's see if it gives us a white light. There you go, white light. She's booted. Well, that was an interesting one. So somebody got in there and were able to remove the HDMI port, but couldn't put one back on, and somehow got this wedged in the wrong place. Wow. All right, well, let's get it inside. I need to hold that down because I don't have the clamp on it. Oh, okay, well, it must have been doing a storage check because it went blue. Okay. Now it would be giving you the message, hey, you weren't shut down properly. But we can't see it. So let me see if I can shut her down without it overheating. There we go. I hate to just pull the power on one if I don't have to. You know, why risk corrupting something if it will actually shut down? Come on. I don't have all day. On a tight schedule here. Oh, it went to sleep. Damn you. Wake back up. Anyway, I'll get it shut down and we'll get it inside. Well, here we are inside at the workbench. Ready to take a look at this HDMI port area and see what it reveals. Well, someone definitely removed the port. But why didn't they put another port on? No rip pads. That's always good. But if you're able to get it off, why weren't you able to get another one on there? I don't get that. Let's see if we can clean this up though. Alright, well, we have replaced our HDMI port. And the encoder looked okay. I did diode checks with a breakout board plugged in there, and it looks perfect. Everything read fine, so I don't think anything's missing or been knocked off that I could see. Let's see if she'll turn on and give us a picture this time. Oh, I saw the monitor lock. Yes. All right, we have video. Well, that one ended up being a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be, because I saw that it was shutting down. I knew it was going to be something just horrible to figure out, but it wasn't. It was all because of that piece right there. I think that's a somewhat common issue. Well, anyway, I think I'm going to end this one right here. If you enjoyed that one, thought it was interesting or educational or something, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the very next repair. So long for now.